Hello and congratulations on your purchase of the new MG ZS EV Trophy Connect. In this video, I will take you through some of the features of your brand new car and hopefully try to proactively answer a few questions you may have upon taking delivery of your new vehicle. First things first, let's see how you can open the rear boot. Simply navigate to the MG logo and press in. The boot opens. We also have another compartment here which you can pull this lever and you can see your charging cable as well. To close it, there's a handle here. Put your hands in and then push downwards. Moving on, let's just see how you can where the portal is for the charger. You come into the front, and then next to, on the left hand side of the MG badge, there is this little compartment here. Just press in and it will open, and then just press in, and here we go. You can put your charger in here. Moving to the side of the car, we can see on the mirror we have the blind spot warning signal. This will light up in case while you're driving there is a car onto your right hand side or left hand side which you cannot see through the mirrors. The car is keyless entry, as you know, so by pressing this button you can unlock or lock the vehicle. On the driver's door we have the electrically adjustable windows buttons, and then both for the front and to the back. And then on the side here we have the central locking, so you can lock the car or unlock the car. To adjust your driving position, there are two levers at the bottom on the side of the driver's seat. To push the whole seat forward, press this lever to the right. To push it backwards, press it to the left hand side. And for the top compartment, if you want it to go lower, press this lever to the left. If you want it to move to the right, press this lever to the right. In order to adjust your mirrors, we have this compartment here. Move this to the right hand side if you want to adjust the right hand side mirror, so you can go right, left, upwards and downwards. And then same principle applies to your for the left one. Just press it left, right, up, down, and there we go. In order to open the bonnet, right below the steering wheel there is this little lever. Just pull that up and the bonnet will open for you. Getting in the car. To start the car up, as this is an automatic, you only need to press your foot on the brake, and then behind the steering wheel on the left hand side we have the auto start stop button. Here we go. On the steering wheel we have all our command buttons. On the right hand side you use these command buttons to navigate through the driver's display. You have your voice commands as well. And then on the left hand side we have the volume buttons. You can answer your phone calls and navigate through various options of radio, such as the AM, FM, DAB radio with the SRC button. Into the middle we have the gear selector. We're currently in park position. If you want to change into the reverse, always keep your foot on the brake pedal and then scroll the wheel to the left hand side. So we're now in reverse. Slightly in the middle to go into neutral, and then to the right hand side for drive. Here we have our handbrake as well. In the middle we have the mode button. So when I change the mode, I'm currently in normal. If I push the lever downwards, we go into eco. If I push the lever upwards, it's now in normal, and again it is in sport. And as you will see, the miles range change depending on the mode you're in. Next to it we have the curse button. So as you will see here, that little circle is your curse system. So when I pull it downwards, it goes into 2, and then 1. If you push it upwards, goes into from 1 to 2 to 3, and it is the amount of curves essentially you're using. Next to it, we have the battery button. So when you click on that, all the information about your battery displays on your infotainment system. In the middle section, we have a USB port and a USB-C port, and also a 12 voltage socket. Now let's talk about the infotainment system. On the top left hand side, we have everything about our charging and battery. So when you click on that, you go into the battery menu, as we could do with this button here, where you can see everything about your consumption, charging, your current estimated miles, the state of your battery at this moment, and many more. In the middle, we have the radio, where you can select between DAB, FM and AM. And then on the right hand side, we have our navigation. With our navigation, in order to put a new route, you simply click on that search button on the top right hand side, and from this screen you can find EV chargers, parking, food, coffee, point of interest essentially, or you can put your address wherever you want to go. So I'm just going to put Lascombe Motors where we are at the moment. There we go, and then select go, and we're ready to go. As simple as that. Also, we have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If we scroll to the right, we are presented with weather information, AC. So if I click on that, we can adjust here our heated seats. We can also turn on or off the air conditioning. We can select intensity, so to the right to increase intensity, to the left to decrease intensity, and also in the middle, to the right if you want to increase the temperature, to the left if you want to decrease the temperature. Let's go back to the home button. You can also, this car comes with the iSmart application as per all other MG ZSEVs. Simply to connect, you click on the user button. So you can essentially pair your car with your mobile phone. Also, we have the vehicle information, where you can see vehicle information, and also the MG Pilot, which includes numerous advanced driving assistance systems. You can navigate your way through scrolling upwards or downwards on the right hand side. You can select your convenient, where you can put on the steering wheel this button with the asterisk. You can select what you would like it to do. We have the lighting on your auto high beam, and also we have the 360 camera here. So currently we're in the 2D position. As you can see, I can see in front of me, but I can change the camera to go onto to give me panoramic at the front, go to the left hand side, right hand side, panoramic in the back as well, and then left hand side. And also you can select this little button, and we can go into 3D view, which you can see the car in 3D mode, which is very handy, especially if you're in tight spaces. You can adjust the steering wheel position. There is a lever behind the steering wheel. Press it down, and then just adjust the steering wheel as you would like, and then push the button, the lever upwards. To use your cruise control, the lever is right behind the steering wheel on the left hand side. You can set it up. To indicate that you're going to go to the right, simply pull this lever upwards. To indicate that you're going to the left, click this lever downwards. And then to use your windscreen wipers is the lever on the right hand side behind the steering wheel. Just press it up. The higher it is, the higher the intensity. Now let's talk about your sunroof. Right above your head, there is this little lever here. Push it upwards if you want the sunroof to start closing. Push it towards you, and the sunroof will start opening. And also this little lever here, if you press it towards you, it opens the sliding panoramic roof, and then press it afar from you, and then it just starts closing. And these are the main features of the new MG ZS EV Traffic Connect. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have any more questions on how to operate your new vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call here at Lascombe's, as we're always happy to support you. Thank you.